So, people always ask me, why is water green? And I always respond, well, the scientific answer is because leprechauns pee in it. Well, leprechauns, when they see this water, they're like, wow, that is a big toilet. I should just unload a bunch of urine and shit in it. That's right. They love to go pee and poo in water that's blue. Why are these berries so poisonous? I mean, if nature's our friend, why does eating this make your life end? Well, the answer to this question is, hey, look, a squirrel! Well, the final question is, why am I so scared of revealing my true identity? Well, the truthful answer to this question is, because I don't have one, guys. I don't have an identity. I'm not even a person. I'm just some random thing holding a phone and talking. It's scary. I know. I lied to all of you. I can't reveal my identity. Okay. I'm gonna turn this phone around. And I'm gonna show you what I really am. In 3, 2, 1. I'm a shoe.